Yes, that is a toilet, and I am kneeling on my bathroom floor. I am trying / duplicating something that I saw on my curl friend Curly Lynn's Instagram page, something that she learned from Evan Joseph Curls. So we are going to do ultimate hydration. All you need is a bowl, preferably something that is fairly wide so water doesn't get everywhere. Conditioner should actually already be applied to your hair. I use Bounce Curl Cream Conditioner and warm water / cup. The conditioner is already in my hair. I applied while still in the shower. Because this is my first time doing this, I'm not going to verbally explain why everything is working the way it is. I'm just gonna walk you through the process, and I'll put more information in the description box. Is flip my hair over. I'm gonna use my cup of water and lightly drizzle it over my head, letting the conditioner water fall into the bowl. Once I have completed the cup of water, then I'm going to scoop up the water in the bowl and massage it back into my head. You're then going to squeeze that water into your strands. You really want to make sure that you completely liquefy your conditioner. I am finished. No final rinse, you're just going to leave it and then style as usual. I'll be back, but probably not on the floor. My hair is completely dry and fluffed, so let's have a look around this ultra hydration.